How do you get bookings from a party? Oh my gosh, I've got a fabulous way to do this. How would you like to get at least 2 to 3 bookings from every party? Are you kidding me right now? Okay, what do? Well, you offer everybody who books a party to help the hostess a brush set at half off. Are you kidding me right now? This fabulous brush set valued at $55, they could get for $27.50. The professional brush set, you know, like the ones you see at the mall that are over $300 for a whole set of professional brushes. Yes, they can get theirs for $27.50 by booking a party and helping the hostess tonight. Oh my gosh, how fun! So why would they want a brush set? Because we love our brush set made with professional grade hair that is amazing on your skin, very delicate and gentle as you put your makeup on professionally. And who doesn't want to look their best, right? So if you are using the brush set, you understand how fabulous it is if you're using it. And then you can romance it at your parties and let them know that they can have this professional brush set at half off for booking a party. How's that going to help the hostess? When she has 2 bookings minimum, she can get $100 in free product. What does that look like? Our hostess flyer, $100 free for the hostess when she has a $500 party and has 2 bookings. So very important that she gets bookings to help her with her hostess program of $100 free. Plus, they get a brush set half off for booking a party. And yes, the hostess can book another party to get her brush set at half off also. So make sure that you don't leave her out because she deserves it also. So then part of our hostess program is also when the hostess holds her party, she is going to get the Skin Vigorate brush for half off. Oh my gosh, a $50 brush for only $25. You know, these cost like hundreds of dollars at the online or on QVC or wherever. So you can get yours for $25. And then the hostess can actually use it at the party. And she's going to be like, oh my gosh, it feels so amazing. And she's going to be romancing it. And everybody's going to be drooling and they want it. But they want it for half off too. Because that's what we do. We want the best deal possible. And we want what our friend has, right? So now you have 2 options. You have, if you're a guest, think about it. I could go home tonight with a brush set at half off. And when I hold my party, I'll get the Skin Vigorate brush at half off. And $100 hostess rewards for me. I loved being a hostess as a customer. I love seeing all the new products. I love being up to trend. I love gathering with my girlfriends, sharing a fabulous product. I love seeing the new colors and getting stuff for free and for discount. Yay! So this hostess flyer is found on my app, Laura Poling, and you can print it off right from the app and use this at your parties to book. Another incentive to get the ball rolling is maybe have a gift in the middle of the table wrapped up beautifully for your hostess, and at the end of the party you let them know, now when there's 3 bookings tonight, the hostess is going to get the gift in the middle of the table. And then you just walk away and the hostess books everybody for you because she knows who owes her and she knows who loves her, and she will make them book for that gift. And it can be whatever it is you want it to be to get the ball rolling until your bookings are where they need to be. It's an incentive for the hostess, it's an incentive for her guests, and everybody is excited and happy. So have fun and book parties from your parties. It's the easiest way to build this business. It's so much easier booking somebody at a party because they know you and you're not a stranger to them. It's so much easier than doing the referrals. But referrals are a huge part of our business. But if you're booking parties from parties, it's quicker, smarter, easier, and most of them will hold. Have a great time booking!